In this tutorial, I will show you how to do internal links research. But first, let me explain what internal linking is. If you already know what it is, you can skip to how to do it because anyone who knows what it is probably want to do it. But basically, when you have a new page on your website or any page on your website, you want to link to and from related contents on your website to help both language models as well as search engines to understand the interrelations of how your pages and topics relate to each other. I believe most of that is done traditionally by just a author or editor remembering that they have some information and they link it together. For most companies, not done at all. Is one of the most effective SEO strategies you can take, simply because it's such a low-hanging fruit, right? It helps marginally, but since it's almost never done for like most companies, right? The really big companies, they do a good job at it, but like for most companies, it's never done well enough that initially when you start optimizing for it, the SEO benefit is immediate. So it's one of the best opportunities in terms of if the ratio of efforts to impact. Right? So how you can do it is pretty simple, right? I mean, this website does not have a whole lot of content, but I'm just going to use that as a demo. I enter the website in there, and it will find all the pages on the website that are relevant to the subject matter. And then you can have AI and analyze which pages should be linking to and from which. Code on wheel, pricing, all of that. I mean, if I were to use a different website, okay, like GenScript.com, it will find, okay, so these are the pages on GenScript.com that are most relevant to plasmid preparation. Obviously, I don't own GenScript.com, but that's the idea, right? So you'll be able to find semantically related pages that are already high in page ranking to your new page that you're creating, and you can have AI evaluate how to link to them. So if you haven't done this, but you have thought about doing it, right, this is a systematic way to address it. You can then select, from this page, I want to link inbound, which means like from this page to the current page, or outbound, meaning from your page to that page. Usually, I would advise to link from, if you think of the customer journey as like informational to like comparison to transactional, I would always suggest to link from the higher, like the more top funnel, earlier steps in the journey to the lower steps in the journey, and then not the other way around, right? So if you have a transactional page, all your like educational resources and stuff should have inbound links to the transactional page. So that's how this is a pretty manual process because you need to decide which pages are relevant, etc. But this feature would help you find them with relative ease. Save the plan, and you're done.